Area I always salute. Now they welcome for football in Pidgin. After match, talk how you see them. Bournemouth 0 and Arsenal 3. And we get DJ Metro here. Will be very ogbongelistic Arsenal fan. May come tell us about how you see this game. DJ Metro, you an Arsenal fan, and for the match you talk many things when the match they go on. Now how you see the performance where Arsenal perform today?
The performance they okay. The performance na very good performance. Without the improve, without the come up, at least this season we they do well for the beginning of the season. Compared to last season when we say we lose 3 matches at stretch, we not get any. At least this season we improve.
So you talk about improvement now. Say the team don't improve, but with this ogbonge performance where Arsenal perform for this game, now who be your man of the match for today match?
Everybody do well. Everybody do well.
If you want call one player, we be like, so okay, among everybody we do well now, which player you think say they supposed to give the man of the match award to?
The captain.
The captain, Martin Odegaard.
Yeah.
So you talk about the captain now, eh? Since they make him captain, what do you they see differently? Because when they make him, some people talk say this player is too young because he never even passed 25 years safe. But and he never even stay for Arsenal since when he become Arsenal player. But what do you think about the choice to make Martin Odegaard Arsenal captain?
You know, say something leader na leader. Who they born with leader, na leader. So in him be say as they give her the captain, everything just they fall in place. Now waiting in they do for a country. So when he come Arsenal, so now the same thing he go see do.
What about Mikel Arteta so far? We don't see how him they manage the team from last season. The team no fit make Champions League, but you get faith in Mikel Arteta saying go fit carry Arsenal to the qualify for Champions League again.
Sure, 100% sure.
What about Arsenal transfer business so far? We don't see players like Gabriel Jesus, players like Zinchenko, Fabio Vieira will come into the club. You they confident say these players now they go improve Arsenal where this season?
Sure, because they are young. Because of say they young and vibrant, they go improve Arsenal.
But wetin be your expectation? Wetin you dey expect from Arsenal now? We don't see teams like Manchester United where they no start the season well. But Arsenal don't start well. Even team like Liverpool, we know say the league just the start. Some Arsenal fans don't they talk say be like say Arsenal won't win league this season. You dey part of those Arsenal fans when they talk am?
No, that one. The truth of the matter, Arsenal go do well, but for title for now, no. But they go dey top 4, they will do well.
So to you top 4 sure, but title no sure.
Not too sure.
But how high you think say Arsenal go finish?
Maybe 3rd position.
3rd position. But make I ask you about Arsenal direct rival in terms of where the club dey for London. Tottenham Hotspur. Tottenham Hotspur win today when they play Wolves. But we know say Tottenham Hotspur they get very good manager Antonio Conte. When you dey look Tottenham and Arsenal, who you think say go finish higher for the table?
Arsenal go finish higher.
Why you talk say Arsenal go finish higher? Because we know say when it matter most last season, Arsenal no fit make am enter top 4. Tottenham edge Arsenal come up. But why you think say this season Arsenal go finish higher than Tottenham?
Because the boys where we get now, they get passion for the game. You understand? And everybody want play, everybody want sell. You understand? So with that alone, they will do well.
Okay. But make I ask you about one Arsenal player, Nicolas Pepe. Today he no make the team because they talk say him dey in talks with French League 1 side, Nice, saying he won't go loan for there. But this player na player where Arsenal signed with record transfer fee of over 70 million pounds. But this player now the transfer no can go well. What do you think about this decision to send Nicolas Pepe go loan for Nice?
The decision, to me, it's not bad. You know, say when you go somewhere, the way you they play, you know, they meet up with expectation. You go another place, go improve. You come back to meet up with expectation. You understand? Presently now, expectation when all of us they put on that, but because of the way they take buy and the money where they take buy and the money high, it not they play to that money where they take buy and so. You understand? You know they play to make I say you know they play to expectation. You understand? So he need to go another club, go rebuild himself, then come back. That's all.
But wetin dem dey talk about the transfer na say if he no come back because buyout clause go dey. So you think say na a good decision for the club to sell Pepe now, or they for still give am more time?
If the club decides okay, if he going or come back, now that one are the club decision. To me, if he say okay, now that side favor him, say now that side go improve his career, may he go.
But this transfer window now, some days still dey. We know say Arsenal don't start well, but looking at the squad now and Pepe they go, you think say Arsenal need to make signings before the transfer window go finish?
Yes, sure. We need more signings.
Like how many more signings you think say Arsenal need?
We need like 3.
Like 3 more signings.
Yes.
So, but you get any player in mind where you think say maybe Arsenal go sign, where go improve this thing?
No, for now, no.